So we discovered a very nice backwater area. Only the sad thing is the realization that this is all on the verge of getting developed. Such green places and such a diversity of life also. One more mangrove. This one has a kind of a apple type of fruit. Though it's difficult to approach it. Some fishy aroma is there. ಮಾವಿನಕಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಮೊಗ್ಗು ಹಾಲು ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡು.